Located in Lilongwe, the Kamuzu Central Hospital KCH Interchange is one of the modern road infrastructures developed to improve traffic flow in the city. The interchange is situated at the junction of Kenyatta Drive and Mzimba Street. The KCH Interchange was constructed to replace the roundabout that previously existed at this location. The interchange was developed as part of the road expansion project along Kenyatta Drive, now known as Saulos Klaus Chilima Highway. The interchange is designed as a partial cloverleaf, also known as a half cloverleaf interchange. This type of design includes two loop ramps which allow vehicles to make right turns without interrupting the main flow of traffic. In addition, there are sleep lanes that allow vehicles to turn left easily and safely. The interchange uses grade separation, which means one road passes above the other. Mzimba Street crosses over the junction using a flyover bridge, while Chilima Highway passes underneath through an underpass. The flyover bridge has a vertical clearance of 5.7 meters, allowing vehicles of different sizes to pass safely below. Chilima Highway on the underpass consists of 6 lanes, with 3 lanes carrying traffic in each direction. This increase in the number of lanes allows more vehicles to pass through the junction at the same time, reducing congestion and improving travel time. The KCH Interchange is equipped with solar-powered street lights that enhance visibility at night, improve energy efficiency, and increase safety of all road users. The KCH Partial Cloverleaf Interchange is an example of how road infrastructure can be developed to respond to growing traffic demands. Today, the interchange plays an important role in supporting transportation in Lilongwe. It improves access to essential services, supports economic activity, and contributes to the ongoing development of the city's road network.